In this video, I've got an exclusive offer that's going to save you big on ExpressVPN, one of the best VPN services out there. If you're looking to secure your online privacy and keep your browsing safe, you're going to love this deal. I've worked with ExpressVPN to secure a special promotion just for you, my viewers, and it's honestly too good to pass up. Typically, when you check out ExpressVPN's pricing, a 12-month subscription will cost you $8.32 per month, which is already a solid price for a premium VPN service. But here's where things get interesting. By using my personal link in the description below, you can unlock a deal that gives you the same 12-month plan, but with an extra 3 months free. That's right, instead of paying for 12 months, you'll get 15 months of full protection. This means you're saving a total of $40 on the regular price. Now let me break this down further. With this exclusive offer, you'll only pay $6.67 per month. That works out to about 22 cents per day. I mean, seriously, that's an amazing deal when you think about it. For just the cost of a few cents each day, you get access to top-tier security, encrypted browsing, and complete online privacy. Here's how it works. Simply click the link in the description below. You'll be taken to the exclusive offer page where you'll see the 15-month plan for only $6.67 per month. Just click Get ExpressVPN and you're good to go. You're getting 15 months for the price of 12, which is an incredible value, especially for a service that's so highly rated worldwide. And here's the best part. ExpressVPN comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. That means you can try it out completely risk-free. If you're not happy with the service for any reason, you can get a full refund within 30 days. No questions asked, no hassle involved. It's that simple. This is a limited time offer, so be sure to take advantage of it while it lasts. Click on the link below, secure your ExpressVPN subscription today, and enjoy worry-free browsing and total online security. Don't wait too long to grab this deal. It's only available through my link. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.